To order checks from Citibank, there are several methods you can use. First, you can do it online by visiting the bank's website at citi.com and logging into your account, using your user ID and passcode. From there, select the banking options and choose the option to order checks online. Another way to order checks is by phone. You can find the online banking support phone number by scrolling to the bottom of the Citibank website, clicking on the Help and Support tab, and navigating to the Contact Us section. You can also find this phone number on the back of your debit card. Additionally, you can use third-party vendors by searching for Citibank check order in your browser, which will give you several options to choose from. When using a third-party vendor, make sure you have your correct account number and routing number, as they will not have access to your account details. Popular third-party vendors include Walmart, where you can order the checks you want and have them delivered. Regardless of the method you choose, you will be able to order the checks you need from Citibank.